Hello friends, welcome to our channel Education Hub. In this video, I am going to discuss Class Plus 2 Human Health and Disease Part 2. In this video, I will discuss some common disease in humans. Friends, please like and share this video and subscribe and press bell icon for further notifications. Please guys, watch this video up to the end. It will be very useful to you for your board exams and NEET exam. So guys, let's start with common cold. It is caused by virus. Rhinoviruses represent one such group of viruses which cause one of the most infectious human ailment, that is common cold. They infect nose and respiratory passage but not the lungs. Symptoms of this are nasal discharge and congestion, sore throat, etc. It is transmitted from infected person to healthy person by inhaling droplets resulting from cough or sneeze of infected person or by contaminated utensils. Next deadly disease is malaria. It is a protozoan disease caused by Plasmodium. Different species of Plasmodium like Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae and Plasmodium falciparum are responsible. Next is very important part, that is life cycle of Plasmodium. First, Plasmodium first enter the human body as sporozoites, that is it is infectious form through bite of infected female Anopheles mosquito. The parasite multiplies in liver cells and then attack red blood cells resulting in rupturing of RBCs. This release toxin substance hemozoin. When female Anopheles mosquito bites that infected person, these parasites enter the mosquito's body and further development take place. The parasite develops to form sporozoites that are stored in their salivary glands. When these mosquito bites a human, the sporozoites are transferred into his or her body, thereby initiated the events that we have discussed. Malarial parasite requires two hosts, human and mosquito, to complete its life cycle. Next disease is amoebic dysentery. It is a protozoan disease caused by Entamoeba histolytica in large intestine of human. Symptoms include constipation, abdominal pain and cramps, etc. Mechanical carriers are houseflies that transmit the parasite from feces of infected person to food products and contaminate them. Next is ascariasis, which is caused by Ascaris, the common roundworm, and Wucheria, the filarial worm, are some of the helminths that are pathogenic to humans. It is intestinal parasite. Symptoms include internal bleeding, muscular pain, fever, anemia and blockage of intestinal passage. Healthy person acquires this disease from contaminated food and water. Next is elephantiasis or filariasis caused by Wucheria, the filarial worm. Causes slow developing chronic inflammation of the organs, usually lymphatic vessels of lower limbs. The genital organs are often affected, resulting in gross deformities. Female mosquito vectors transmit this disease. Last is ringworm caused by fungi like Microsporum, Trichophyton and Epidermophyton. It is one of the most common infection. Symptoms are appearance of dry scaly lesions on various parts of body such as skin, nails, etc. Heat plus moisture help these fungi to grow. So friends, I will discuss this chapter further in next part of this video. So stay connected. Thank you.